Hello everyone, welcome to Library Learning. In our last video, we explored the world of variables. Today we are going to deeper into the backbone of every program, data types in Python. Data types define the type of value a variable can hold. Python supports a wide range of data types, each useful for different kinds of data. In this video, we'll cover all the important types and dive into their practical applications. Let's start with numbers. There are three primary types of numbers in Python: integers, floats, and complex numbers. Here we have two integers 10, -5, and two floats 3.14, -0.001. We also have a complex number z equals to 3 plus 4j, where j is the imaginary unit. Let's perform some basic arithmetic. When you add an integer x and a float a, Python automatically converts the result into a float. This behavior of Python makes it very flexible in handling numbers of different types. For those dealing with complex numbers, you can extract the real and imaginary parts using z.real and z.image and calculate the conjugate of the complex number using z.conjugate. Moving on to strings, which handle text data in Python. Strings are created by enclosing characters in single, double, or triple quotes. As you can see, text holds a regular string while multi_line_text spans multiple lines, useful for longer blocks of text. Strings are immutable, meaning you can't change them once they are created. However, you can perform various operations like concatenation and slicing. Concatenation merges two strings and slicing allows you to extract parts of a string. In this example, greeting _ bracket :phi gives us the first word hello. String formatting is another powerful tool. You can use dot format to insert variables into strings. Alternatively, in Python 3.6 and above, F strings offer a simpler, more readable way to achieve the same result. Next, we have Booleans, values that are either true or false. Booleans are commonly used in conditional statements to control the flow of a program. If the value of is_python_fun is true, Python prints a confirmation message. Booleans are also the result of logical operation like AND, OR, and NOT. Moving on to lists, collections of ordered changeable items. You can store any data in a list and even a mix of different types. Lists are indexed, which means you can access individual elements by their position starting from 0. In this example, the first fruit is apple, and we can modify the second element from banana to blueberry. List comprehensions are a compact way to generate lists, and list method like append and remove allow you to dynamically modify lists. Next, we have tuples, similar to list but immutable, meaning you can't change their contents after creation. Tuples are often used to represent a group of related values, like coordinates in a 2D space. You can also unpack the values of a tuple into separate variables, making them easier to work in. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. They are particularly useful for removing duplicates and performing set operations. As you can see, sets allow for operation like union, combining two sets, and intersection, finding common elements. Finally, we have dictionaries. A dictionary stores data in key value pairs. Each key must be unique, and it's an excellent way to organize related data. You can access a value using its key. Dictionaries come with a wide range of methods like dot items, loop through keys and values, and you can add or modify entries as needed. We have covered numbers, strings, booleans, lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries, the core data types in Python. Mastering these types, you are laying a strong foundation for writing efficient and powerful Python code. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you for listening so patiently and staying with me till the end. Love, take care, and always keep spreading positivity.